Welcome to QuickFact. Get ready to uncover amazing facts about dogs' unique abilities and their special bond with humans. Let's jump into the world of dogs. Dogs' unique cooling mechanism. Did you know that dogs have a unique way of cooling themselves down? Unlike humans, dogs don't sweat through their skin. Instead, they sweat through their paws and rely heavily on panting to regulate their body temperature. Panting helps evaporate moisture from their tongue's nasal passages and lungs, effectively cooling their bodies. This makes hydration especially important for dogs, as it keeps them cool during hot weather. Dogs' remarkable sense of smell. Did you know that dogs can smell up to 100,000 times better than humans? A dog's sense of smell is incredibly powerful thanks to the 300 million scent receptors in their noses compared to just 6 million in humans. This allows dogs to detect odors and even diseases like cancer in early stages. Their noses are so sensitive that they can also track time by smelling how odors change as the day progresses. The incredible hearing range of dogs. Did you know that dogs can hear frequencies up to 65,000 Hz, which is far beyond what humans can hear? While we can only detect sounds up to 20,000 Hz, dogs' acute hearing allows them to pick up on sounds to high-pitched for us. This heightened sense of hearing helps them detect distant or faint noises, making them excellent hunters and protectors. Dogs even move their ears to better capture sound, acting like living radars. Bone-burying instinct from wild ancestors. Did you know that when dogs bury their bones, they're following an ancient instinct from their wild ancestors? Wolves and wild dogs would bury extra food to keep it safe for later, especially when resources were scarce. Today, even though most domestic dogs are well-fed, this behavior remains. It's part of their natural instinct to hoard valuable resources, and in some cases, it's just a fun game for them to dig and hide things. Common foods that are dangerous for dogs. Did you know that some common foods we eat can be extremely dangerous for dogs? For example, chocolate contains theobromine, a substance that dogs can't metabolize, making it highly toxic to them. Grapes and raisins can cause kidney failure, even in small amounts. Onions and garlic are harmful too, as they can damage a dog's red blood cells, leading to anemia. Avocados contain persin, which can cause vomiting and diarrhea. It's important to keep these foods out of reach to ensure your furry friend stays healthy. More everyday foods hazardous to dogs. Did you know there are still more everyday foods that are dangerous for dogs? For example, xylitol, a common sugar substitute found in many sugar-free gums and candies, can cause a rapid insulin release in dogs, leading to hypoglycemia, low blood sugar, seizures, and even liver failure. Macadamia nuts are another surprising food that can be harmful. They can cause vomiting, weakness, and even paralysis in dogs. Alcohol is also highly toxic to dogs and can lead to respiratory failure, coma, or death. Even small amounts can be dangerous. Caffeinated beverages like coffee, tea, and energy drinks contain methylxanthines, which are harmful to a dog's heart and nervous system. Always keep these foods and drinks out of reach to ensure your dog's safety. The dog's third eyelid explained. Did you know that dogs have a third eyelid, also called the nictitating membrane? This unique eyelid sits in the inner corner of their eyes and has several important functions. It helps protect their eyes from dust, debris, and potential injuries, acting like a built-in windshield wiper. Additionally, this third eyelid produces a special fluid that keeps the eye lubricated, enhancing a dog's vision and eye health. This membrane can also act as a health indicator. If it's visible for long periods, it might signal an issue that needs a vet's attention. A hidden layer of protection. The third eyelid is one of the many fascinating aspects of canine biology. What a wagging tail really means. Did you know that a dog's tail wagging can reveal much more than just happiness? Dogs use their tails to communicate emotions, intentions, and even social status. The direction and speed of the wagging can indicate different feelings. For example, a high and fast wag might signal excitement or assertiveness, while a low, slow wag can indicate caution or insecurity. Interestingly, studies show that dogs wagging their tails more to the right are feeling relaxed and positive, while wagging to the left may mean stress or alertness. So the next time your dog wags its tail, take note. It's their unique way of talking to you. Why some dogs howl at the moon. Did you know that some dogs howl at the moon, and this behavior is actually rooted in their wolf ancestry? In the wild, wolves use howling as a way to communicate over long distances, whether to locate other pack members, mark territory, or signal potential threats. Domesticated dogs may howl when they see the moon as a way to express themselves or respond to other sounds they perceive. Although they're not calling to the moon, dogs' instinctive howling can be triggered by bright, quiet nights, reminding us of their deep connection to wild canines. So when your dog howls at the moon, it's just following ancient instincts. The extraordinary bond between dogs and humans. Did you know that dogs have an extraordinary bond with humans that makes them feel safe and secure around us? This unique connection dates back thousands of years, as dogs evolved from wolves that chose to live near human settlements. Studies show that dogs release the hormone oxytocin, often called the love hormone, when they're around trusted humans. This hormone helps create a sense of calm and comfort similar to the bond between a parent and child. So when your dog curls up beside you or looks at you lovingly, it's not just companionship, it's a deep-rooted bond of trust and security. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these dog facts, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more fun facts.